I had it made. That $250,000 book deal plastered me all over the newspapers, TV, and radio. But all my hard work in the streets, selling books day and night, weighed heavy on my marriage. My wife called it quits. I was suddenly homeless, still getting paid, but also living out of my shiny truck, uncertain about shelter, family, or future. And if that wasn't the worst, the book industry got hit hard. Everything went electronic. Bookstores closed all across the world. Amazon took over, and everyone wondered, what in the world is an ebook? Meanwhile, I was trying to figure life out, focused on all things digital, such as websites, podcasts, video production. And since I was already this popular one-man marketing machine, I soon became a one-man multimedia producer. All my skills as a novelist, a filmmaker, still required access to capital. Keeping my hopes up, I got lucky. I ran into a good friend who fixed my credit. With my new credit profile, my life changed forever. I was able to get a brand new car and complete 7,500 Uber rides. I was able to go from homeless in my car to now owning 10 vehicles, as well as I invested in multiple homes with multiple revenue streams that pay me daily. I vacation 4 to 6 times a year. Plus, I'm happy with new love in my life. How I bounced back from homelessness to this amazing life is extraordinary, but it's all due to an optimized personal credit score. What's more is I've been able to help others fix, build, and amplify their personal credit with strong business credit. I'm enabling entrepreneurs to duplicate themselves with greater access to financial resources in a reasonably short period of time. Today, I'm ready to help you. Whether it's fixing your credit or establishing your business credit, either way, I'm going to help you win. 888-551-0244 and say, hello, Relentless.